F sharp major. In the key of F sharp major, there are 6 sharps. You really can't play it open because there's so many sharps that you have to use that pattern from the major scale. The major scale that goes from the 6th string to the 1st string. And you can see in some of my other videos how to play it, but as a quick review, you're going to start on the 6th string with your 2nd finger, and you're going to use the same finger pattern. You're going to use on the 6th string, your 2nd, and then your 4th finger on the 2nd and 4th frets. Change strings to the A string and use your 1st on the 1st fret, 1st finger on the 1st fret, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, and your 4th finger on the 4th fret. So starting from F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp. It's a good idea to go over these sharps too, so you get to hear the sounds of the notes. Now you're on the 4th string with your 1st finger, and you're going to play the 1st, 3rd, and 4th frets with your 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. When you're on the 3rd string, the exact same thing that you did on the 4th string. Play the 1st, 3rd, and 4th frets with your 1st, 3rd, and 4th fingers. So you have. Now on the 2nd string, use your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret and your 4th finger on the 4th fret, just like the 1st string. 6th string, that is. 2nd string is just like the 6th string. 1st string, you're just going to play the 1st and 2nd frets with your 1st and 2nd fingers. Now the interesting thing about the F sharp major scale, as I said, is it has 6 sharps. Some of you are familiar with the cycle of keys, or as they call it, the circle of fifths. The reason it's called the circle of fifths, so if you're starting here in the key of C major, which has no sharps or flats, you're going to go clockwise to G. Now, if you use, it says fifths because I still use my fingers after playing guitar for over 40 years to understand this theory. So if you're at the key of C major, count using your fingers 5 notes, including the key of C. C, D, E, F, G. That's 5 notes away to G. G has, as it tells you, it has 1 sharp. Well, how do you remember what the sharps are? Easy. Just think about the alphabet. What letter comes before G in the alphabet? Obviously, it's F. So G has an F sharp. So now I want to know, in the cycle of keys or the circle of fifths, we're just talking about the first half of it as well. The key of D, well, that's 5 notes away from the key of G. G, A, B, C, D. That has 2 sharps. How do you remember the 2 sharps? Well, you know what letter comes before D in the alphabet? C. So it's C sharp. But go back and borrow the one from G, and that's going to be the first sharp in the key of D major. So you have F sharp and C sharp. And it just goes on that way. It continues to go on that way. And it's very interesting. And you just memorize that. One more thing I'll do, I'll go from D to A. D, 5 notes away, D, E, F, G, A. A has 3 sharps. Use the F sharp and the C sharp. And what comes before A? Well, you stop at A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's no H. If you do discover an H note or an H chord, you'll be a zillionaire. Please let me know. So you're just going to go right back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A, okay? So now you're going to use what comes before A? Well, G, okay? So it's F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And that's how that works. It's really great. You guys should probably try to find some information on the circle of fifths, cycle of keys. understanding basic music theory will help your guitar playing. If you have any questions, please ask. I hope that you like and subscribe my channel. I'm going to get some more stuff out to you guys. Have a good day and have fun.